Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome once again to me, Big Stone, as you know. This sound that is playing in the background is done by a gospel brother, a gospel artist by the name of Randall Positive. He comes from out of Portland in Jamaica. When I heard the song, I was just thinking about the death of Mario Dean. He was actually arrested on August 3rd for being in possession of a marijuana spliff. Then 3 days later on August 6th, when we celebrate our independence, he was rushed to hospital and found dead later on by the staff and the nurse. He also reminded me of a young boy all the way in Missouri, Ferguson, Missouri, by the name of Michael Brown, who was shot and killed 6 times by a police officer. What a shame. But good thing we have songs like Sticks Nor Stones, which help to motivate me and uplift me and inspire me, and let me wake up each day and continue to worship the Almighty God, the true and living God that cannot be taken away or destroyed or dismantled. This is coming from you, from Randall Positive. So Randall Positive, from the top again, youth. We just want to listen to the song and just have fun and just mind to the... Yes!
If my people will not worship and praise Him, then I'll rise up sticks and stones.
We rise up sticks and stones. Sticks nor stones.
Don't never get to one for my praises.
Sticks nor stones.
Don't never get to take my place.
And I will worship you in all that I do. Sticks nor stones. Randall Positive, you're hot in the youth. Earthquake and lightning and thunder shall come down from the heavens. They're never gonna break. And I will worship you in all that I do. Stick nor stone. Randall Positive, Jamaica.
All that you require, your purpose and your will, that is my desire. Living by your word each day and through prayer. All the man steps, Lord, as you seem to take me higher. Obedience to your word.
Obedience to your word.
Bless my heart, my tongue, my lips, guide the words that I say. Not just true songs or lifestyle as I pray. It's a sacrifice of praise each moment, every day. So that
Stick nor stone. Never
get to offer my praises.
Stick nor stone.
Don't never get to take my place.
Again, I will worship you in all that I do. Stick nor stone.
Don't never get to take my place.
Yeah, man, them kind of sound is a sound that should be playing on the radio. It should be playing in the dance hall for all our youth to get inspired by the presence of the Almighty God, because once you have the Almighty God within you, then no man can break you down or put you asunder. So Randall, this is a big one, and I hope I did justice in endorsing you, my brother. Randall Positive is a name to reckon with, ladies and gentlemen. All the crashes that you hear is just the elements happening around when it's powerful. That I take.
I will praise you, Lord. This promise I made, I should return.
Again. Again. Shadow of death.
Still gonna praise
Them don't see you nothing yet.
and billows me a roll. Praise from my heart.
Praise for my soul.
With all that I have,
We know what I
everything, with the every
worship the Almighty God, man. There's only one true living God, Jamaica. All the famine and the shortage of rainfall is because of the wickedness that we have been doing to each other. Wake up, respect the Almighty God, because there's only one true and living God. So sticks nor stone will never ever destroy you. A stone sharpeneth another stone. I will worship you in all that I do. Stick nor stone. Randall Positive. Big up yourself for you, my brother. Big Stone and Darcy. You never yet. You can't get enough of that tune, and that tune, man. You get that praise. You're always on time. No money in my pocket. No food on the table. Still got that praise. Me don't see the victory yet, but me still a praising. Because guess what? I'm always on time. Yes, you're always on time. Rastafari.